balancing the pressures that success requires of you and being happy within yourself and making sure everybody around you is happy. It's a very delicate balance to try to achieve. What's your recipe?
Balance, I would say, starts by not having a wrong definition for balance. I think we hang on to two typical things when we talk balance. It's a work-life balance philosophy out there. I don't like that one.
Why not?
Because it sounds so, that when you work, you don't live, which will be a pity if you have to wait for 5 o'clock to live. So this work-life thing is like setting up two enemies and say, you take my life away from me. I hope people live while they work and they enjoy while they do. Yeah, you should live 24 hours a day, hopefully, and not park your life for when you come back from work. And I tell you, many professional people's lives look like that. So that's the first mistake, I think. I think we should just walk away from that heading, work-life balance. And the second thing is people view it as a bit of a time management exercise. Let me just be more efficient, popping more into one day, and that's balance. So let me just quickly make a few minutes for my child. I think balance, Bongani, starts when you are very clear about what is in and what's out, being very clear about your priorities in life. What belongs in your life, where you are now in your life, and what not. The not part is very important because people live astoundingly full lives with astoundingly unimportant things. And they're all over with strangers on social media, and they worry about things they'll never see in their lives, and do expensive things to run away from those things that will never come close to them. Even immigrate for wrong reasons because of your life being so full of these ghost stories. So I think we should never underestimate, what we do to ourselves in terms of balance. Know what's in, what's out. Very few people have a very clear set of priorities. Their priorities sort of is everything should be in. You have 24 hours a day. So if you just throw more water in that glass and more water in that glass, you know what will happen to the glass. So I think that's a very important thing. It's not just as simple as time management, because it's a proportionate thing, happiness. You don't have to spend as much time a day on your child as you spend on your work. So it's not an hour for hour thing. It's proportionate.